Morrocco Method is where I learned about lunar hair cutting, but it is something that has been used in other cultures for centuries. The Farmer's Almanac is one of the things that goes into making the lunar hair chart, which is how I understood the concept. The almanac tells you certain days when you should plant, prune, and harvest your plants, depending on what you want them to do. The lunar hair chart tells you what you need to do on certain days for your hair to do what you want it to do. My hair was really long, but it was thin past my shoulders, so I cut it to my shoulders. Then I did my lunar cuts on the lengthening days for 3 months, and my hair grew to the length I wanted, but it still wasn't that full. That really didn't get better until I learned more about the cutting process and started using the Morrocco Method products. I needed to rotate complementary goals in with my main goal. When I got selected for the Lunar Journey and received all the products, I decided that my main goal would be to have fuller hair. So my cut days have been on the thickening days, as well as the beautifying days and the strength days. I also made sure to focus on which of those goals fell on the full moon. You don't have to cut on the full moon, but if your goal happens to fall on the full moon for the month, the benefits are amplified. Doing the lunar cuts month to month with the products, brushing, and other methods recommended by Anthony Morrocco has given me fuller, shinier, and more manageable hair than I've ever had. I'm so glad I found Morrocco Method and started lunar cutting. It led me to an all-natural routine that has changed my life in the best way. And best of all, the lunar chart is completely free. Morrocco Method has the full chart up on their website, and they post each month's chart on their socials. Cutting is easy, and there's tons of videos on the blunt snip method that Anthony uses and the Morrocco Method YouTube channel. You don't have to cut a lot off either. And no matter if you cut it or if someone else does or how you cut it, you will get the benefits of using the chart. Results obviously won't happen the next day, but over time you will see your hair goals happening. And then one day you just look in the mirror and it's like, is that me? Is that my hair? That's what happened to me anyway.